yard picking that instead. Have you been out to Mimi's?
Not for a while.
You got a nice place out there.
Oh, I've been there.
Yeah, it is nice. They like their dogs. They got one dog in it, all four of these.
2 cats?
Did you see Michelle's dog?
Which one was that?
She just got it about a week or so ago.
I didn't see it then.
She didn't get like the other ones. She got it. Well, she got a half-breed. She said she likes that kind of dog because that's what she feels she is. Oh, shush. Such a little guy got a big mouth. He sounds bigger than what he looks. Plant things, see them grow. Sometimes I don't do too good with them, but I can take that back to the man where I got it when I can't believe that, of course. These are herbs. This is tansy. It's supposed to help keep the ants away. And it smells nice too.
Mm-hmm.
This, I can't think of the name right off. I used to boil this up and let, when it cooled enough, to let Mark soak his feet in it. This smells nice. By yourself. These are herbs mostly. This chamomile. And for tea, you heard of that, haven't you? Chamomile tea. That's what these look like. There's a lot of them out there. They all are.
Mm-hmm.
Lavender Mumstead. Gonna have a couple more out there. Oh, thank you. What kind? How many yards of tape did you use? Billy wanted me to go with Stacy and Eric up to Philadelphia Zoo. I told him, I'm not riding all the way up there. That ain't far. Who's are these? The one's Mindy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And who's the other one?
Jimmy.
That's Jimmy?
And I'm on the side.
What? The Have, yeah. This is good. This is you keep.
Now what's it called?
Mindy and the Gang, huh? What's the name of the gang? The Mangana Bunch? Yes, Mindy and the Gang. One. You know, you have pictures, but this way, you see them moving. What they're doing. That's nice. His one shoulder's still bad. And when you got hit by a car, isn't it? You okay? See, he's all gray up here, and this was all brown when he was a puppy. But isn't it anymore? They sleep with me, all 4 dogs. Well, Bugle doesn't sleep with me because he can't. I won't let him up on the bed. He can't get up there by himself. So I have a dog bed beside the bed, and he sleeps in that. But the others all jump up on the bed. This one sleeps up around my neck. We all used to sleep on the couch when Morph was still living there. Because I was afraid maybe I wouldn't hear him if he needed me. But I always did. But I figured they would know, you know, if I was hearing me, they would hear me and wake me up. This one has a blue eye, and I think it's a brown eye, yeah, blue eye, and brown eye. These eyeballs. Two different color eyes. These are, I hadn't heard from Susie or Remy or during the Civil War. Like this kind of stuff, you know. They call it a knit, bone knit or something. There's another name for it, but they did that because they could use it for broken bones and all. It helped it to heal. Not too good of a light out here. See, they're pretty well shot. Every once in a while I come out here and be another one dead, you know. It's 2 lovebirds down there, 3. How did you get out of there? You don't like me, you know. Come on, honey. Yes, you know you're not supposed to see that. You know what I did? I forgot to lock that up. Come on. Yeah, I forgot to fill this with food. Door so that it can't fly out. Bonnie, he'd get right on her, you know. He won't do that one. Maybe he'll bite me. Come on. Yeah. Look, they always have to keep these locked. Come on. Don't go back there. Come on. Now how are you going to get out of here? Come on. Come on, Mike. Want me to put some paper in here? That's it. You go in there. You go in. You gonna do anything? No. Right. Hello. Usually it takes him longer than that. You know, we'll get up with the other thing. Blowing bubbles. So here we go. Does it sound like anybody you know? He's quite a bird. I told Bonnie, I says, when I'm gone, she better take that bird because she's the only one that can handle him. He'll get right on her arm and go, oh, get to hug, you know. I don't know if anybody's been trying to get me or not, but Mr. Butterfield. Oh. Maybe 5 or 6 months before he died, he saw this advertised on TV. So he decided, and so he got this. I always forget which one of these you turn. There it is. You can put a tape in the side. I haven't looked at much, because I don't look at stuff that much, you know. I'm more apt to play that, the country music, whatnot. I have country music in 78 records and 33s and some 45s. So. Is that necessary? He acts like a baby. The others act like they're big brother and big sisters. You big brother too? This one, if you bring a pup in, he gets all excited. He likes that. Like when I brought him and her in, and but it goes right to him, whoa, 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 like he's telling them what they can do and what they can't do, and all, you know, like he's giving them advice. He did the same thing with this one, but this one is about 6 years old now, at least. They all have papers that I can tell their ages. Stop. Molly's been fixed. The only one that hasn't is this one. Because I thought, well, just in case somebody wanted to breed him with their dog. They have the brown or red color, whichever you get, pup out at that puppy store with long hair. And Susan is trying to talk me into getting it. Let's see now, that's all. Molly's so independent. Molly! Hello! Hello! All right. Then there was one that a nurse's aide or whatever it is they call it, homemaker or something. She would come in and bake. Hello? Hello? Where are you, Ike? What are you doing? Rachel. Rachel, yeah. Rachel. Yeah, he calls her Ray. Beautiful. Yeah, that's my Molly.